Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll show you how to update graphics driver on Windows 11 to improve performance and fix display issues. Watch the full video to ensure you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Device Manager and find your GPU. Press Win+X and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters to find your graphics card, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD. Step 2. Update driver automatically or manually. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If no update is found, visit your GPU manufacturer's website, download the latest driver, and install it manually. Step 3. Verify and restart. After installation, go back to Device Manager, right-click your GPU, and select Properties. Under the Driver tab, check the driver date and version to confirm the update. Restart your PC for changes to apply. Outro, and that's it. Now you know how to update graphics driver on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.